Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing another glueless wig, and this one is from Alipearl. They actually reached out to send me this hair for me to review. So it's not necessarily paid, but they just wanted me to review the hair. So this is supposed to be another 100% glueless, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it's actually pre-styled. This wig kind of blew up on TikTok, and it probably still is blowing up on TikTok. So yeah, we're about to see if this is really glueless, because I'm actually getting ready to go out later and I want to see. Okay, planning on going out later. Oh my god. Anyway, I kind of want this to be the hair tonight. I need it to be glueless because I don't like glue on my head when I'm out, because then if you're sweating and stuff. So I want to see if it's actually going to hold up and be 100% glueless. I think there's also wig tape that they included, and I've never tried wig tape before, so I kind of want to try that out today. But yeah, so let's get into what's in the box right now. So this is the box, 22 inches, 13 by 4. I got a small cap. I don't think they usually send small. I think they usually do like medium by default, but I think you could ask them to do small. This is the hair, pre-styled, braids and all. It's really cute, and I don't really do styles like this, so like I'm actually kind of nervous if I'm even gonna like this style on me, but we're gonna see, because it's very, very soft. It does smell a little weird. Okay, so it has the bands, the adjustable strap in here, and then this one actually has the, could make the cap smaller. I don't think the last glueless wig I did had that, so that's helpful. The lace feels pretty soft. What else is in the box? 2 edge brushes. I have a million of these now at this point. They gave a wig bands. Oh, I think this is like a little mirror. I don't know what this is. It's empty. I think it might be a lashes case. There's a wig cap. I don't know if you guys have noticed that I don't use wig caps. It's just pointless to me. And then this is the wig tape. I think I'm kind of nervous because I want to use the wig tape, but as always, I like to do things when I'm in a rush and like trying to experiment when I'm actually going out tonight. I don't know if I should experiment. Also came with a bag for the wig, so that's nice. I actually just bought this Ruby, what is it, Ruby Kisses? Yeah, the Ruby Kisses foundation, because everybody uses this on their wigs. So I was like, let me go and pick this up, because I usually don't know how to match correctly, and I think it's been pretty good. I think I've been using the darker shade, and I think it's been working. So I'm gonna put this on it and come back. Actually guys, I wanted to show you an update of me just putting it on my head and like adjusting the cap. First of all, the cap is still crazy big. Like, I don't know, it's still pretty big, which really sucks, but I didn't put makeup on it yet. So right now this is what it's looking like. I just have like a wig grip band on. This is already like way over my ear, so I'm gonna have to cut it regardless. I'm gonna put on the makeup and then see. This also might need to be tightened, to be honest, because it's not super tight, but I don't know. Okay, so here it is with the makeup on. This was a task to try to get it to even lay like this. So right now there's no glue in here. There's no glue, but if you have a small head, this is probably not the easiest for you to wear glueless. I was just messing with it. I put it on the tightest possible thing on the band and on the cap, and you know, when you do that, it kind of bunches up a little bit. So I don't know if you guys could see, it's like bunching up here. But the style is cute. I don't know about for me, but so it already came with these baby hairs, which I kind of did with some mousse. Just have to tighten it a lot. So I just do my edges here and just leave. I could really just leave the lace there. I don't even really need to cut it. And I don't really want to cut it because I think that this is a good wig for when you want to glue it down. But I just want to show you guys, I want to show you guys this wig glueless because that's what it's advertised as 100% glueless. So I want you guys to see what it looks like just straight out the pack. I think it's a really cute option, especially if you want to switch up a style. I would do all this myself, you know, so it already comes like this. I think personally I would just glue this down as a regular wig. It's a cute style though, and they really did it well. I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm getting ready to go out. I don't know if this is the hair that I'm gonna wear out though. Okay, so yeah, I think that it's really cute. This is it up close. Really nice. I just think that I would glue it down personally so that I could like lay it where I want to and just have all of the lace showing on the sides and stuff. Like I just think that it's a really good wig. Like the lace is really good, so having it glued down, I feel like it would really look nice. Me personally, I don't know if I like this style on me, but let me know if you guys would try this out. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description. I definitely think that if this is something you see yourself in, that you should give it a try. Let me know if you guys want a video of me actually gluing it down. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the band though, jumping that big.